So, and here we are once again. Remember this? That's the memory that doesn't work in my RX 106. Let's see if this works in another computer, because it has this weird organization. 2 ranks by 4 chips, I think it is. So I would like to see if this RAM actually works. For that, I'm going to pull out my Fujitsu RX 300 S5, and I think I should have proper cable management, so I can pull it out all the way without getting stuck, I hope. Alrighty. So in here should be a stick of 1 stick of 4 gig. Yeah, it's a 4 gig stick. 2 ranks by 4. That's significantly better. So let's ground myself, because I have this nice hoodie on. Populate the first bank. And populate the second one. At least according to the sheet, CPU 1, 1 stick, 2 sticks, so black and black. 3 sticks I don't have, so that should be fine. Good, so memory is installed, and I'm gonna just leave those 2 8 gig sticks in, and I'm going to boot server via remote. But first I'm going to put you back into your vault. Now let's find the right cable. There it is. That's my plug for the power supply, and I think I only have 1 power supply in there. Running. So I have to be quick. 10 and I think it was my username Roy. And this password. Okay, it sees 16 gigs of RAM. Did you see that? 16 gigs of RAM is good. Yes, I'm playing Ark in the background. Wow. That's loud. So 16 gigs of RAM. Let's boot into a network. Okay, it's actually set to boot network. Good. Let's do a mem test. But let's do it in this fail-safe mode, because sometimes mem tests like locks up after a while when I do the multi-core SMT test. So failsafe is the same reliability, but slower. Yeah, and this looks good already. I'm gonna play some more Ark now. Yeah, I guess I'll keep it like that. I've just let it run for an hour now, and it's at 50%. It's fine. If the memory is defective, it should have thrown up errors by now. So yeah, the 16 gigs are fine. They're just not compatible with the RX 100. Oh well.